Cincinnati Tower, Giant 747 Heavy, 36 right.
Giant 747 Heavy, Cincinnati Tower, we'd like to show you put on over eastern Washington. The wind calm, runway 36 right, cleared for the option.
Understand, clear for the option, and appreciate it, Giant 747 in.
Tower outside.
Outside there.
Right, angle 5, but proceed on to 36 right and crossover outside of the safety area.
Outside cross, runway 36 right at Tango 5.
And instructions for Giant 747 in.
Giant 747, after the mist, right close traffic approved.
Thank you, sir. Giant 747 Heavy.
Opsign, verify off of 36 right and outside the safety area. Opsign, roger. Be advised, I believe the plan is a low pass.
Tower Delta 2482, do you want to over to departure?
Delta 2482, sorry, contact departure.
Alright, have a good night.